is Kubernetes?
Kubernetes is a portable, extensible, open-source platform for managing containerized workloads and services that facilitates both declarative configuration and automation. It has a large, rapidly growing ecosystem. Kubernetes services, support, and tools are widely available. The name Kubernetes originates from Greek, meaning helmsman or pilot. K8s as an abbreviation results from counting the 8 letters between the K and the S. Google open-sourced the Kubernetes project in 2014. Kubernetes combines over 15 years of Google's experience running production workloads at scale with best-of-breed ideas and practices from the community.
Benefits of Kubernetes in production environment.
Configuring and scheduling of containers, provisioning and deployments of containers, availability of containers, the configuration of applications in terms of the containers that they run in, scaling of containers to equally balance application workloads across infrastructure, allocation of resources between containers, load balancing, traffic routing and service discovery of containers, health monitoring of containers, securing the interactions between containers, fault tolerance, on-demand scalability, optimal resource usage, auto-discovery to automatically discover and communicate with each other, accessibility from the outside world, seamless updates/rollbacks without any downtime.
Importance of learning Kubernetes.
Free cloud solution, same solution for all the problems. DevOps culture practice, high-paid job availability.
Kubernetes Exam.
What Kubernetes certifications are available? There are 2 major paths to Kubernetes certification. 1. Official CNCF certifications. 2. Platform-specific certifications. The official CNCF certifications test your mastery of Kubernetes. Those skills can be applied wherever Kubernetes is deployed. The official CNCF certifications are as follows. Kubernetes and Cloud Native Associate KCNA. This is a multiple-choice proctored exam with no hands-on elements. Certified Kubernetes Administrator CKA. This is a simulator-based hands-on proctored exam. Certified Kubernetes Application Developer CCAD. This is a simulator-based hands-on proctored exam. Certified Kubernetes Security Specialist CKS. This is a simulator-based hands-on proctored exam.
Where can I learn Kubernetes?
You can learn Kubernetes from Page Cloud Academy. Online computer training school built in Bangladesh with very affordable cost and quality learning. Page Cloud Academy offer Kubernetes courses and online batches as well as corporate training regularly.